Hello there. So I've got another one of those lead 100 MOSFETs. I already did a video on one of these where I replaced the power transistors. I wasn't going to do a video on this one, but it's presented with a different problem, and although the symptoms are the same, largely. This is quite interesting, I think, what's wrong with it. I've already got it opened up behind me, so let's switch to the action. Okay, so here's the amp, and as is often the case with these combos, you get a free workbench. So the amp chassis is actually set up on top of the combo box, so I can work on it. I've got a guitar hooked up to the amp, and I've got a speaker connected, obviously, as you can hear. The symptom is that the sound cuts out intermittently. Now, off camera, I've had the sound cutting out, but on camera, doesn't seem to want to happen. I've got a little foot switch here, so let's connect that and change channels and stuff. I really want you guys to be able to hear the symptoms, so I think what I'm going to do is play the amp until the symptom presents itself. And just edit out everything where the amp is behaving. So. That's the symptom, that wavering in volume. Yeah, there we go. So I've got totally no output now. Twanging a guitar. So these jacks being dirty seems to be a problem. There's some sort of intermittent contact here. These are the send and return jacks for the foot switch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drown them in switch cleaner and just push a jack cable in and out of them a few times. So switch it off, put the guitar down and do that. Nice big pop there. Let's stick a jack in there, get those opened up. Okay, do the same on this one. I'll do every jack in the amp just as we're here. These are tricky to get at. Go through that hole. Oh, that worked. Okay, so yeah, as I said, I'll do all the pots as well. There is normally like a little hole on a pot somewhere. In this case, they're presented at the top, so that's quite handy. So we can give them a little squeeze. None of these were stuck and noisy anyway, but that's... Gotta wait for that switch cleaner to dry up. Yeah, so we cracked it. It was easy as that. Normal misbehaviour. Lovely. Okay, so this thing is working. I've been playing it for about half an hour. I've been messing around with it, and I just thought I'd start filming again just to show you something. This thing's a bit of a little tone monster, really. Cool, eh? Apologies for any shady playing, but yeah, the amp's no slouch. Anyway, as I said, cheers, bye.